This isn't... no. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniela, and today we're gonna be doing the second part of this video. I think that video was uploaded like 1 year ago, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, but this one is it's kind of different because this one is a collaboration with my babes, Sofia and Mar, and their videos are gonna be here, like in the description box. Anyways, so if you want to see this massacre, let's get started. I studied English for 1 year, and well, I think my level is quite different from the one that I had when I recorded this video for the first time. But I haven't spoken English in months. I finished the course in December, so yeah, I hope you forgive all my mistakes, because I still have like a lot of mistakes because I'm not a native speaker. I even do mistakes like in Spanish, so I'm pretty sure there are gonna be a lot of mistakes in this video. This is so hard! This is really difficult. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna be priming my face. This one is the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm. This is not a primer, but it's the best primer ever. I have been using this one for years and I do love it, so yeah, this is a really good option. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I forgot the name for a second. And yeah, this is the shade Soft Beige. And I really like this foundation. Now I'm gonna be using a concealer to cover all my... how do you say that? I forgot the word even in Spanish. My imperfections. And I'm gonna be using this one, that is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. You know, this is my favorite, and this one has been my favorite like for a year. And I'm gonna blend everything together. I'm using this sponge, I didn't mention it, but this one is from Miniso. I don't know if those stores are available in countries different than Colombia or Mexico. Now that everything is blended and beautiful, and I'm gonna set everything with powder. And for this purpose, I'm gonna be using this powder. This is the RCMA No Color Powder. You know, this is my favorite since I met it. I got married with him. I'm gonna bake. You know, guys, I cannot do anything without baking. I tried doing my eyebrows with pink and I really liked it. I'm gonna be using this lipstick. This one is from Vogue. This is in the shade Fuchsia. I'm gonna take this brush. I couldn't find the one that I used the other day. I don't know what it is, but okay. What do you think? I really like doing my eyebrows pink, but I think it won't last because of my roots. But I like it. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, I guess I'm gonna let them dry. I like them. I really like them. Okay, for this video I'm gonna be using my Morphe X James Charles palette. You know, this is not my favorite palette, but I like it and I paid like a lot of money for that, so I have to use it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing something pink, and I'm gonna take this shade that I don't remember the name, so, and I'm gonna put it like here all over my crease. And I'm gonna put it closer to my brow bone, like this. Now I'm gonna blend the edges of the pink a little bit, just to make it more like smoky and blended and beautiful and everything. Yeah, I feel bad because of my little hairs growing there, but... And I'm gonna take this like darker pink color, I don't know how to describe it, and I'm gonna put it literally over my crease, and I'm gonna blend the edges with a little bit of the hot pink or neon pink or the neon pink eyeshadow. And I'm gonna put a little bit more of the darker pink just to make it more intense. And for this video I'm gonna be doing something that I haven't done before, and it's like an open cut crease. I haven't done it because I don't like how it looks on my eyes, but let's give it a try. To highlight a little bit this part, I'm gonna be using the lightest pink from the palette. I actually want a little bit more of drama, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Benny. Is this shades color? I don't remember. And I'm gonna get the line like a little bit out of my eye. I don't know if that thing was well said, but anyways, I guess you understood me. Trying to do these things with hooded eyes like mine, it's difficult. And it doesn't look as good as it may look in someone who doesn't have like hooded eyes. I'm trying to do my best. Then I'm gonna blend the edges again with the dark pink, with the darker pink. And of course I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the neon pink. And of course a little bit more of the lightest pink. Well, I was a little bit hopeless with this look, but I think it doesn't look completely bad. As I told you, I'm gonna be doing cut crease, and I'm gonna do this. Actually, I wanna put something like really sparkly and glittery and everything, but I don't know what. I think I'm gonna be using this one. This is from the It's a Princess thing, the Disney designer collection from Colourpop, and I'm gonna be using the shade Prince Charming. Yes, this is a really beautiful shadow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set the foundation with this shadow. It doesn't look that bad, but now I'm thinking it does look weird with pink eyebrows. I think it's like a lot of pink, but who cares? Why not adding more pink? I'm gonna be using this glitter. This is like the same idea of the Stella's, I don't remember the name, but this one is way cheaper. And I'm gonna put a little bit here on my inner corner. I forgot that word. I think it is in an inner corner, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks nice. Should I put a little bit over my eyelid? Yeah, why not? There's not enough glitter. Oh, yes. I don't know what to do on my lower lash line, so I think I'm just gonna be putting some pink. Some more pink. I've never seen this amount of pink on my face, even though I love pink. But as far as I remember, I've never done something this pinkish. Okay, I'm gonna put some eyeliner. Here it is going to be like really close to my lashes, and as I'm going out of my eye, I'm gonna make that line like bigger. Well, it doesn't look that bad. Could have been worse. And it wouldn't be my cut crease if I don't screw it with a little bit of eyeliner in here. I'm gonna curl my lashes if I can find my lash curler, and I'm gonna put some mascara on. Of course, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, my camera hates me and stopped recording, so yeah, the only one thing I did was to put on some falsies and to get all the baking off. So yeah, now I really like the eyes look. I think this is something I would wear. I don't know what for, but I really like it. And with the lashes, it looks like, I don't know, it looks really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna do it quickly because I know my camera it's gonna stop recording again. Okay, to add dimension, I'm gonna be using this bronzing powder. This is the Bahama by The Balm. I'm trying not to use a big amount of Colombian products, because if someone who's not from here is watching this video can get everything I'm using. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna be using a little bit of the shadow I used on my eyes, the pink one, just like this. Oh my god, this is really pigmented. As highlighter, I'm gonna be using the shade Face from the James Charles palette. This eyeshadow looks amazing as a highlighter. You see it? And remember, girls, you're not wearing enough highlighter if you cannot see it from space. Okay, for lipstick, I'm gonna be using this one from MAC. This is in the shade Cyber. It's like a really dark purple, almost black. Well, this is not what I wanted, but it's what I could get. Okay, as a top coat, I used this lip gloss from BYS Cosmetics, and I really liked it. If I'm not wrong, this is like the most dramatic makeup I have done ever to myself, like as a normal makeup, not as an artistic makeup or something like that. But I really liked the result. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't feel as bad as I felt with the last video I did in English. So yeah, I hope you forgive all my mistakes. And that's it for today. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's in the information box, and it's also appearing here. And see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye!